Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for the RTVSYSVAL command. So for that reason, I am taking this program in edit mode. And here we have declared few variables. These variable type and length you can refer from the IBM official website. And post that we are running the command. So you just need to write RTVSYSVAL, then take F4. So once you take F4, you will reach to this screen where you need to pass the values which you want to retrieve from this command. So for that reason I'm taking F1 here. So once I take F1, I will be reached to this screen, and from there we can find the purpose of using that particular value. So I'm doing page down. So today we are going to discuss about these value. The first one is QASTLVL. So as its name suggests, like it is related to the assistance level. So indicates the operational assistant level of the system displays for user profiles where. Okay, so basically it will return three values, which is star basic, star intermediate, and star advanced. Star basic will be returned when the operational assistant user interface is used. Star intermediate will return when the system interface is used. Star advanced is returned when the expert system interface is used. And one more thing, if the command does not have an advanced level interface, then star intermediate is used. Okay. Now the second thing we are going to discuss is star ATNPGM, which is attention program. Okay, so what are the expected values for this? So basically it will, if star is specified for this system value, the operational assistant main menu is called when the user presses the attention key. This value can be changed to the name of the program, which will be called when the user presses the attention key. In the job where attention PGM star sysval is specified in the user profile, changes made to this system value take effect immediately. Okay, so basically it will return the attention program. Now the third one is QAUDCTL, which is audit control. So for audit control, that there are few expected values. First one is star not AVL, which means the user performing the command is not allowed to display the current auditing value. You cannot change the system value to not available. Okay. Now second expected value is star none, which means no security auditing is done on the system. Third one is star AUDLBL, which means the action specified in the audit level and audit level 2 system values will be logged to a security journal. Also, action specified by a user profile's action auditing value will be audited. A user profile action auditing values are set through the AUD level parameter on the CHG user or command. Now another expected value is star obj AUD, which means actions against the object that have an object audit level other than star none will be audited, and object's audit value is set through the change auditing value CHG AUD command or the CHG obj AUD command. Next expected value is star no QTemp, which means no editing of most object in the QTemp is done. You must specify star no QTemp with either star odd star AUD or star AUDLBL. You cannot specify star new temp by itself. Okay, so these are basically some values that we can retrieve from the system if it is required. So if you are looking for the audit control related information, then you can pass this value. Otherwise you can pass other two values which is related to the assistance level and attention program. So what you need to do, you just need to copy the value name which you want to retrieve and just paste it here in system value. And as we have already declared the variable by referring the IBM official website, so now it's time to pass that variable. So I'm passing it here. Just for the simplification, I keep the same name for the variable as it have the system value name, so that it will be easy to understand the process like what we are retrieving. Okay, but make sure name you can change anytime, but make sure that you are providing the same data type and length. So once these lines got executed, in the same manner I hit the RTVSYSVAL again for retrieving the attention program, for retrieving the audit control. So once these line got executed, we are good to print the value. So as these variable are already in character type, so we can directly pass them to sndpgm msg command and we can print it. So I'm printing it. So just simply write sndpgm msg, then press F4, and here you can pass the variable. If it was decimal value, then you need to convert it. Otherwise, you can directly pass. Like right now, we are having the 3 variables in character, so we can pass it directly. So I'm passing it. Now it's time to compile it and see the output. So basically, we discuss about the assistance level, attention program, and audit control. So for these 3 value, we are getting the below errors. I'm calling it. First one is assistance level is star intermediate, and then this is the Q is it basically it is returning the libraries, system libraries. Now doing page down, and this is the audit control, and these are the attention program related information. So if you are looking for such information, then you can easily utilize this RTVSYSVAL command, and from this command you can retrieve the values and you can use in your logic. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.